Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to change the Google Chrome browser. To change the Google Chrome browser, we have some steps for you. First, download Google Chrome. Go to Google Chrome's official website and click Download Chrome. Install Chrome. Open the downloaded file, the Chrome Setup X, in the top right to start and follow the installation instructions. Launch Google Chrome. Once installed, open Google Chrome from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Set Chrome as default browser. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Go to Settings, Default Browser. Make sure Google Chrome is your default browser. Change default browser and Windows settings. Press Win+I to open the settings menu. Go to Apps, then Default Apps. Scroll down. Choose Google Chrome from the list. Then click Make Set Default. Sign into Chrome. Click the profile icon in the top right corner and sign in with your Google account to sync bookmarks, history, and passwords. Import bookmarks from other browsers. Click the three-dot menu, Bookmarks, Import Bookmarks and Settings. Choose your previous browser and import data. Then hit Open. Pin Chrome to taskbar for quick access. Right-click on the Google Chrome icon on the startup. Then choose Pin to taskbar for easy access. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.